And because of the adhesive force and cohesive force, the free surface of the liquid behave like a stretched membrane. How I am explaining? Look at that, there is a liquid in the glass. Assume one molecule is in the middle, and every molecule from each side is attracting that molecules. That means whatever attraction is there, that is neutralized by the other molecules. That means resultant attraction is zero now in that molecule, because from all sides, like here, if I am pulling the pen from that side and someone is pulling from that side with equal force, there is no force acting because the force is neutralized by each other. Similarly, in the middle there is a molecules, and from every side molecules are attracting that molecules. That means whatever force is there, that is neutralizing by the other molecules. But in case of the surface, you are not getting the other molecules from the upper side, so that's why from all direction the molecules are pulling that, but there is no force on the upper direction. That means there is some force acting on that. That's why the surface area of the liquid stays like a membrane. That's why some animals can walk on the water. You can see that water spider. And the property of a liquid to contract its free surface due to the intermolecular attraction is called surface tension. What is the meaning of that? You can see that whenever you drop a water, that always make a sphere like shape. Why? The question arises in mind ever. Because of the surface tension. It is saying the whatever molecules is in the surface of the liquid, that always try to contract its free surface. It is always trying to making contract, means you know that compress means and contract means same. It is always trying to contracting the area. That means it is always trying to the making smaller area of the free surface, and sphere has the least free surface. That's why whenever you drop water somewhere, it is always making a sphere shape, because it is having the least surface area. And the property by which it making the least, trying to making the least surface area, that is known as surface tension. Some example of surface tension is given. You have to read that example. Here, concave meniscus, convex meniscus. What is the meaning of that? If you put some water in the liquid, there are two types of figure you can see here. One is that type, that is known as concave. If it is that type, that is known as convex. Why that type of figure is coming? If you put some liquid in the glass or anything, there are two types of force is working there. I already said that. That is cohesive force and adhesive force. That means cohesive force means the force of attraction between the own molecules, and adhesive means the force of attraction between the different molecules. If adhesive force is greater than cohesive force, then the shape will be like that, because attraction of the adhesive is more. That's why the shape is like that. But if the cohesive force is greater, then the figure will be like that, convex shape. If adhesive force is greater, then the figure will be concave. These things you have to know. We'll start from the next part of the chapter, application of surface tension, in the next class. Whatever question is arising in your mind up to this, whatever I explained today, you can ask me that question.